Hello, I'm Flo, and if you are interested in learning about kalimbas or how to play a kalimba, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unboxing a mini AP heart-shaped kalimba. This box is really small, which makes me all the more curious, and I love the blue. Oh my gosh, look at this. The kalimba comes inside this airtight plastic bag, like it's something really special, which it is, and we also get two lanyards. One is threaded and soft, and the other has metal beads and looks pretty decorative. I like that we get options. Okay, let's open this. It is so tiny and it is heart shaped and it fits perfectly in my hand. I love that part. But now, I'm wondering, can something this small even play music? Of course it does. Okay, now I'm gonna play some raw audio for you so that you can hear what it sounds like. The sound is soft, gentle, very calming, but I just have one question. Would you play this or just use it as a keychain? Let me know in the comments below. Bye for now.